My goal was to get here as fast as I could. No, because you hear its foghorn keep sounding.
We went 1.36 miles. Well, you paused
1.44. How come we can see right here but not over there? See, look at how clear it is here.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Yeah. It's close. This is the time that most ships run aground. Oh, look at the guys on the front.
Oh, yeah.
Boats. It's like the Titanic, but they won't hit an iceberg.
Straight ahead.
They're like, okay, we're done here. Wave at it.
I can't see you.
Those guys probably can. Look at the boat next to it.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. There's a salute.
Yeah. So it must just be here where it's clear at.
Yeah.
It's gonna sound its foghorn pretty.
It's cold. They can't see anything.
Look at it, it's disappearing.
I think it's going faster.
Well, yeah, it's going like 12 miles an hour. Usually ships only go like 6 or 7 when it's foggy through the St. Clair
Yeah, why
River.
wonder why it's going so fast?
It's the Anderson. It's like known for how fast it is. It's like Fast Eddie, like the Edward L. Ryerson. That's what they call it. It sounds it. Another salute. I got it on video too. Look at it in the video. It's like completely disappearing.
Yeah.
We go back the way that we
It's gonna sound its foghorn pretty soon. A couple seconds it will. I'm gonna end it when it does the foghorn again. Yeah. The only other video that I have of a ship in the fog is the American Courage. Yeah. Oh wow, look at how much it cleared up.
Well, right here.
Yeah, but all over there.